In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for your computer. We'll go through the process from the Microsoft website all the way to opening Excel for the first time. This is a straightforward setup, but it helps to know what to expect so you can move through each part smoothly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website at Microsoft.com. It's always a good idea to download software directly from the official source, especially for programs like Excel, so you know you're getting the correct version and the latest installer. Once you're on the Microsoft website, the next step is to sign in to your Microsoft account. Look for the sign in option and click it. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your login details and continue. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account and follow the prompts on screen. You'll need this account to manage your subscription and access the installation files later. After signing in, you'll need to subscribe to Microsoft 365 since Excel is typically included as part of that subscription. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether that's personal, family, or business. Take a moment to review the features of each option so you pick the one that works best for you. When you're ready, click Buy Now and complete the payment process. As soon as your purchase is complete, go to your Microsoft account dashboard. This is where you'll find access to your apps and services. Look for the option that says Install Microsoft 365 and click it. That will start the download of the installer file to your computer. When the installer finishes downloading, open the file. Depending on your browser or operating system, you may see it in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window. Click Run or Install when prompted, and then wait while the installation completes. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance, so just let it finish without closing the installer. Once installation is done, you're ready to open Excel. On a Windows computer, click the Start menu. On a Mac, open Launchpad, then search for Excel and select Microsoft Excel from the results. That's it. Excel is now installed and ready to use. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account inside the app to activate it. After that, you can start creating spreadsheets, organizing data, and using all the features Excel has to offer.